played in the last election.
Your name?
I am from Tuko.
Okay.
Given the role you played in the last election, resulted in you being given that position. Now that you have been removed without even being informed by the leadership of Kenya, you feel betrayed by the leadership?
Thank you very much, Aemba. Yours is hapo katikati because it's both political but budget based. So that one I have to say something about. Kaemba, I am a human being. So when you see us politicians, we are also people. And it is I think that answer it suffices.
So maybe the last one now.
Yeah.
We've seen leaders when after the impeachment they consult. Raila Odinga was also moving around the country to consult after he failed in the AUC. Are we also going to see Ndindi Nyoro consulting also?
Stephen Leto, I have been busy as a politician, but I have also enjoyed a phase of quietness. I mean, you know that. When you are in the dance floor, politically speaking, you can't know even when it is raining outside, when the wind is blowing. You can't know when there is a storm. When you are in the dance floor, there is loud music and you are busy. This is an experience I've shared actually, Reto, with some of my colleagues. That sometimes as a leader, it is also important that you depart the dance floor temporarily, you go to the balcony, and also you learn. Learning may not mean you are consulting to outdo anyone. Learning may actually mean the dancing styles changed, but you are still fixed on the past ones. Learning may actually also not come by political conversations. It may come with just social interactions. So my is in tandem with the expectations of the people of Kenya. Any other question? So maybe nikimaliza